What up, this your boy S. Rico back for another one. I hope y'all having a good day. I recorded this before, but things just didn't work out how I wanted it. But long story short, I ordered some racing harnesses from Car ID. I would never ever buy anything from them again. Ever. You hear me, Car ID? I would never fuck with y'all ever again. I ordered some harnesses, right? They sent me the wrong one. So I'm like, all right, then cool. I just return them like any other product, right? No, wrong. It's gonna take 24 hours to 2 days for them to even respond to me in the email. And then another 24 hours to even get a shipping label from them. I ship it to them, and then once they get the product and verify it, then they'll ship out my correct harnesses. Did not work anything like that. This shit took like a full week and a half, a week and a half to even get my shipping label, because I talked to like 3 people. I'm finna put up 2, but yeah. Hell. I talked to 3 people giving me the runaround. I'm like, and then they talking about, oh, you can't cancel it. You have to just go through with the process. I'm like, man, what the? Whatever. So they gave me the shipping label, and I already did what I already made my mind up, made the decision to just keep my harnesses. I got the shipping label. I just deleted that shit. I'm like, man, y'all took way too long anyway. So, but whatever. So, let's install my racing harnesses in my car, and let me show y'all what I did to them. Let's go. Here's the harnesses right here. And if you follow me on Instagram, bam, you already know, baby. We made the Area 51 harnesses. Yes, we did. No one got them. Nope, nope, nope. Looking real sick. The NRG patch was right here. Snatched that off. Put the Alien Area 51 patches on. That was dope. It would have been super sick too if I would have got the harnesses I wanted, but hey, it's cool. I didn't feel like waiting. And actually, it's crazy because when I made my mind up to do this and to keep my harnesses, the next morning, here they come, sending me my return label to ship them back. I'm like, man, fuck y'all. I'm good. I'll just keep them. And plus, I already did what I did to them anyway. So let me set y'all up and let's install my harnesses. This one will go on this side. Hey, I was saying this on my Instagram. This cam lock right here, the quality on this is amazing. I didn't feel Momo, Takata, all the way up to high dollar sparkles. And I know NRG not known for racing harnesses, but man, the quality on this thing right here, dude, is amazing. Belts is belts, as long as they what is this? Yeah, SFI approved. You're fine with any harnesses, but to me, this is what you're paying for. The quality of this is, like 0 plate. Shit, better than my Siphon, my Cypher racing harnesses that's in my Rex with the PlayStation patch, with the I can't even talk right now, God. But yeah, with the PlayStation patches, so these are nice. So if you're in the market and don't want to get dicked in the ass for some overpriced belts, $400, $300, these is $160 max, and really worth it. This is NRG didn't sponsor this at all, so yeah, go get you some harnesses, man. You'll love them. This one will go right here. This one will go on this side. So we have to unbolt this bottom bolt right here. And then undo the other side. I'm gonna run the bottom, the 5-point. I'm gonna run that. I'm not running it on my CRX, but I'm gonna run it on this one though. People be like, "Oh, you go submarine, you go submarine." Man, shut up. If that was the case, you'll submarine in the stock seatbelt. Oh, snaps. I just found something right now. I was looking for this. It was on the floor the whole time. This is to my dash right here. The cover. Nice. Alright, and yeah, I can just adjust that later. But yeah, that's the 5-point, and leave that there just chilling, and then let's unbolt these two. Okay. Okay. All right, NRG. All right, baby. Feeling mighty good. Okay. I'm gonna have to adjust it just a little bit over. All right, a little bit. Ooh, too tight. Shit. Circulation cut. That. Alright, let's see. Alright, cool. There we go. Perfect. So yeah. Well, yeah, now that I look at the aliens, I was gonna leave the Area 51 patches on here and then put them on top, but that would have been completely stupid because I didn't even check. I didn't know they set right here. So yeah, the aliens is like directly on my shoulder. So if I would have left those NRG patches on there, they would have been, the alien would have been way up here. That would have been a big mistake. But yeah. I'm thinking this NRG, you can't just clip them on and just blam and lock it like NRG. But yeah, feel good, feel right. Nice, baby, nice, yeah. Feel good. So now, what we gotta do is, I'm gonna show y'all how to wrap the harnesses to the harness bar. Woo! They break away real quick. Real easy. Won't be needing this no more. It's actually nighttime right now. The day has went by, but we already have one side of the harness wrapped, and it's looking mighty nice. So I'm gonna show you guys how I like to wrap my harnesses. So these can be called a LB10 or LB5 or something like that. If I'm correct, correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but we're gonna go up. Come back around. There we go. All right. Had to look for a second. All right. Still make sure the front of the harness. All right, and let me see. We go over like this. We go down. Yeah, we go up, over, down. Still checking. The harness is correct. And then go over. Under, over, how we go. Back through. Loosen it up a little bit, and then go back under. Make sure the webbing is straight. Make sure your belt's tight. Make sure you're even. You'll be pretty even. Check the front. Make sure everything is even. Oh yeah. So eventually later, I'm gonna get some zip ties and roll these up like this. Up this way or up this way, and they're going to be rolled like that, neatly of course, but rolled, and then zip tied under like that. You know, I may go for that look, or you can hang it a little bit. May have it hang, but you know, you can have it that way, or you can have it this way, where they just flap. I don't know. I may just rock them like that. Kind of like them. You know, but I don't know. I may get them out the way. I don't know. We'll see. But that's how I wrap my harnesses. Let me show you guys the front and how it looks, and give you guys a close-up on the wrap. That's how the wrap looking. Nice. Got the LB sitting on top of the harness bar like you want it. So let's count the pinches. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pinches, or you can call them folds. 5 folds in this one wrap right here. So yeah, be pretty safe. And we'll show you guys the front. That's how the front looking. The Area 51 harnesses looking mighty nice, baby. Rate, comment, subscribe to your boy, and don't let people twist stuff up that you really didn't mean just because they're butthurt over a comment. It's called opinions. Deal with it. It's social media, baby. But this your boy SR Rico. Much love. I love y'all that support me. And I'm out. Rate, comment, sub. Hit that bell. Hit that like button. Peace.